Who doesn't like pizza? I know, you're saying to yourself, I love pizza. And you probably go out for pizza a lot, but I'm gonna show you something really simple. We've par cooked our pizza crust. We did a big catering, so we made a bunch. But again, if you have a great location that makes par cooked shells, use them. It takes less time, it's not a bad thing. So this is my cheeseburger and dill pickle pizza. I know, you think I've lost my spiky haired mind, don't you? So we're gonna take a little bit of tomato sauce on the bottom. And this is just tomatoes. We've reduced down a little bit of salt. You can find any kind of tomato sauce that you like and use that. So I've made a Montreal steak spice aioli, but if you don't have time to make aioli, a little bit of mayonnaise, Montreal steak spice, mix it together, you have the same thing. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of our aioli on the pizza. You can put as much or as little on as you like. Then we're gonna take some amazing Bothwell cheddar. This is our nacho blend. Great thing, love using great ingredients. And I'm sure somewhere in your pantry you have some homemade dill pickles. If you don't, find your favorite dill pickle. Slice them nice and thin. Put on your pizza. And then finally, the ingredient above all ingredients, some grass-raised Nutri-Farms ground beef. It really doesn't get much better than this. One last little shot of cheese. Now, if you don't have a wood-burning pizza oven like I do, you can put this in your oven at 450 degrees and bake it for about 10 minutes and it'll turn out perfect for you. But you're gonna come with me and we're gonna put it in the wood-burning pizza oven. Five minutes later, our pizza came out of our pizza oven. It's all ready to go. We're gonna cut into this beautiful pizza. Like I said to you before, you don't have a wood-burning pizza oven, use your oven. It's gonna be fantastic. Your family and friends are going to love it. And hey, till next time, join me